So let me guess, your organic traffic fell off a cliff the month AI overviews rolled out. You're staring at the graph, wondering if a decade of SEO advice just became worthless. Well, here's the honest answer. SEO isn't dead. Search still drives discovery, but the payout moved from ranking in clicks to being cited inside the answer itself. And most teams are still optimizing for a game that stopped paying out. You see, the winning ones right now stopped chasing blue links and started earning citations. Let me tell you what actually changed. The engines now answer the questions right there on the results page. The click you used to earn is now being absorbed by the answer. So a page can rank where it always did and still lose the visit. And that's the drop you're seeing. And no amount of page work fixes it because nothing on the page is broken. Now, ranking has always been a proxy anyway. What you actually wanted was to be the source that your buyer trusts at the moment that they needed an answer. So what do you do differently? You structure your pages so the answer is easy to lift, and you stop grading your whole program on clicks alone, because clicks are no longer the only way a page pays you back. This is exactly why we run 4 engines as one system instead of treating SEO as the only game in town. Search, answer engines, generative results, and the models themselves. I break all 4 of these down in the next video, so watch that one right after this. Oh, and one more thing, from experience. I spent more than 16 years in B2B content marketing, and I've watched maybe 3 of these platform shifts now. The platform is always the same. The channel doesn't die. The lazy version of it does. So here's what I want you to do. If your traffic dropped and you're looking for maybe a second set of eyes on whether it's an algorithm problem or a citation problem, I'm always here. Book a 30-minute call with us and we'll talk soon.